Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'll be showing you the dashcam connection for Thar. First thing, the camera module is here. This is a dual dash cam where we have front camera and rear camera. So the front camera has two wires. One is the power wire, the other is the wire that goes to the rear cam. So as you can see here, this is the setup wire near the memory card, which is the power cable, and here you can see there's a B type which goes to the rear camera. So the wire has been taken from inside here. Here you can't see any wire because I have tucked it inside the dashboard and it goes to the beading of the door. So the wire goes through here, and here you can open this just by pulling this apart. So it's so easy, anybody can do this. Pull it apart, and you can see the wire inside. This is the wire. To close it, just give a small gentle tap. From the seatbelt point, you can see that the wire has gone inside the felt. This is a simple velcro mechanism which can be removed just by pulling apart. So the wire is inside hidden, and you can see the wire ends near this felting point where they have given this felt, and the wire is visible here because there's no hiding point over here. This is hard top Thar, so I can't hide the wire anywhere. And the wire goes inside this beading again, the rubber beading. From here you can see the wire has gone to the camera. So this is our rear camera. The power to the front camera has been taken from the 12 volt charger over here. This is the adapter given by Cubo itself, 12 volt adapter. The wire has been taken from here. It has gone inside this so that it doesn't look odd over here. We have taken here. I can't end it here because the wire gets cut. It's very tight over here, which might cause the cutting of the wire over time. So from there, the wire has been taken inside. You can see a zip tie here. So the wire has been inside this. You can see the wire visible here slightly. So this is the wire. It goes behind the boot switch and comes to this beading. From inside the beading again it goes inside the top cover, and from the top cover it goes to the camera. So it's very simple guys, and if you ask me how to remove the beading, it's very easy. Just gently hold it and pull it. So this is how you open the beading of any car, for that matter, not only Thar. So when you open, let me open and show you a little bit. So let me open the beading and show you the wiring once, how I have done. So you can see the wire has been inside this. So the wire has gone inside this. You can see the wire, extra wire which I have zip tied and put it inside. So this is how the wiring goes. It's very simple guys. So please do follow, like, share and subscribe my channel. If you find this video helpful, drop the comments below. If you have any queries, please drop it in the comment box. See you in the next video. Bye bye.